Welcome to our channel where we unravel the secrets of success and wealth. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of the richest people and their daily routines. Get ready for some golden insights. According to a recent survey, these are the top 10 daily habits of the world's wealthiest individuals. We'll explore their daily routines, mindsets, and habits that contribute to their extraordinary success. So let's dive in and uncover the secrets of these brilliant minds. Number 1, the power of reading. Reading is an essential habit for personal growth and self-education. Surprised? Don't be. Most of the world's richest people are avid readers. Warren Buffett, the renowned investor, reads between 5 to 6 hours daily, devouring multiple financial documents and newspapers. Bill Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft, dedicates to hours daily to reading both fiction and non-fiction books, often selecting books based on their impact on his personal and professional development. No. 2. Embracing continuous learning. The pursuit of knowledge is a lifelong journey for many millionaires and billionaires. They understand that learning keeps them sharp, adaptable, and ahead of the curve. Take, for example, Oprah Winfrey, the media mogul, who is known for her insatiable curiosity and voracious appetite for learning. She reads several books every month and attends countless seminars and workshops to expand her knowledge and skills. Similarly, Richard Branson, the founder of the Virgin Group, is a firm believer in the power of learning. He encourages his employees to take risks and learn from their mistakes, fostering a culture of continuous improvement. No. 3. Establishing a morning routine. Waking up early is a common habit among successful individuals. Many of them have established morning routines that set the tone for their day. Take, for example, Apple CEO Tim Cook. He wakes up at 3:45 a.m. to check emails and work on his most important tasks before his workday officially begins. Likewise, Google CEO Sundar Pichai follows a strict morning routine to ensure he starts his day productively. He wakes up early, exercises and meditates before diving into his work. No. 4. The importance of goal setting. Goal setting is a cornerstone of success for many wealthy individuals. They understand the power of setting clear, achievable goals and the importance of regularly reviewing and adjusting them. Take, for example, the late Steve Jobs, the co-founder and former CEO of Apple. He was a big proponent of goal setting and would often set 3 major goals for himself each year, focusing on the most important aspects of his personal and professional life. Similarly, Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, is known for his ambitious goal setting. He has set his sights on some audacious goals, such as colonizing Mars and reducing traffic congestion. By setting these goals, he is able to focus his efforts on the most important tasks and inspire his team to achieve seemingly impossible feats. No. 5. The habit of delegation. The wealthy understand the value of their time and the importance of delegating tasks to others. They build strong teams of professionals who can handle day-to-day operations, while they focus on strategic planning and other high-level activities. Take, for example, Warren Buffett, who has built a team of trusted advisors and investment professionals at Berkshire Hathaway. He is able to delegate many of the day-to-day operations of his company, allowing him to focus on making wise investment decisions. Similarly, Oprah Winfrey has built a large team of producers, writers, and editors at Harpo Productions. They handle the day-to-day operations of her various television projects, while she focuses on being the creative force behind the content. No. 6. Prioritizing health and fitness. Many wealthy individuals prioritize their health and fitness, understanding that a healthy body leads to a healthy mind and a productive life. Take, for example, Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon. He is a big believer in the importance of physical activity and is often seen hiking and camping with his family. Similarly, Mark Zuckerberg, the co-founder and CEO of Facebook, is a dedicated yoga practitioner and has even built a yoga studio in his home. 7. Taking care of their appearance. Making a good first impression is crucial in business, and many wealthy individuals understand the importance of taking care of their appearance. They make an effort to dress well and present themselves in a professional manner. Take, for example, Bernard Arnault, the chairman and CEO of LVMH, who is known for his impeccable style and taste. He understands the power of dressing well and often wears elegant suits and classic accessories. Similarly, Coco Chanel, the founder of the Chanel brand, was known for her timeless style and elegance. She understood the importance of looking polished and put together. And this? Attention to detail helped to build her brand and solidify her status as a fashion icon. 8. Building a strong network. Building a strong network of friends. Colleagues and mentors is essential for success, and many wealthy individuals understand the importance of nurturing relationships. They attend industry events, join professional organizations, and volunteer to meet new people and build relationships. Take, for example, Howard Schultz, the chairman and CEO of He's a big believer in the importance of networking and has built a strong network of friends and colleagues in the business world. Similarly, Melinda Gates, co-chair of the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, is a prominent figure in the philanthropic community and has built a strong network of contacts who share her passion for giving back. 9. The habit of meditation. Meditation is becoming an increasingly popular practice among wealthy individuals who understand its potential benefits for reducing stress and increasing focus and clarity. Take, for example, Google's co-founder, Larry Page, who has been practicing meditation for years and has even built a meditation garden on the Googleplex campus. Similarly, Apple CEO Tim Cook is a known meditator and believes that it helps him to start his day with a sense of calm and purpose. 10. The power of visualization. Visualization is a powerful tool that many wealthy individuals use to achieve their goals and overcome challenges. By visualizing success, they are able to stay motivated and focused even when faced with obstacles. Take, for example, the late Steve Jobs, who is known for his ability to visualize products and experiences that would appeal to customers. His ability to see the end product in his mind helped him to create innovative and user-friendly products that changed the world. Similarly, Oprah Winfrey is a big believer in the power of visualization. She uses visualization techniques to manifest abundance, success, and positive outcomes in her life, deciphering millionaire habits beyond the headlines. It's important to note that not all wealthy people engage in all of these habits, and it's also worth noting that being rich doesn't necessarily mean being financially wealthy. There are many different ways to define wealth, including having abundant health, strong relationships, and a deep sense of purpose. However, by studying the habits and behaviors of some of the world's richest and most successful individuals, we can gain valuable insights into what it takes to achieve success and live a fulfilling life. We hope you found this video helpful and that it has inspired you to adopt some of these habits into your own life. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching!